What is an inference? I have one hand. I would like to see more hands. Work.
An inference is when someone that isn't saying.
Colin, do you want to say something?
Oh yeah, I was gonna say maybe they have like notices because it's already super gross. They probably have some notices.
Oh, like signs?
Like signs saying don't litter.
And no swimming.
Like they have no swimming.
It's so nasty there.
So we're here at Kenilworth Gardens, Kenilworth Park with the kids, and we're learning here. And so are rocks something living? Is that a living organism? Is the poop living?
The poop is not living.
Right.
I don't want to draw that.
Okay, I understand. Okay, I get it. Well, we see trees.
Trees are technically living.
They are definitely living. Do you know how to tell the age of a tree?
No. Oh yes, the rings inside.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
You cut it open and then look at the ring.
And count every ring. Yeah.
But most trees live around 300 years.
There you go.
It would be harder.
Right, and those rings get really like mixed up, but that's how you tell the age. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm just throwing things out basically, which is very rare. A lot of places don't have that. So there are a lot of different birds that come here, and not just the poop, but to come on and eat from some of the trees and things like that. And then the pollination and things like that of different flowers and plants and things.
I need to seal.
What about water and everything?
I'm not sure what that concern. I don't know.
I know. Is water living?
Is it living? Not living? Because there's lots of like little organisms
That's true.
in there. But does that count as living?
That's a great question. I'm not really sure.
Wonder.
Bingo! Come on, now we're thinking, okay? Because we're wondering to know, is water even a living thing or not? Is it a living organism or not, right, kids? We drink water. The world is made up of water. Our bodies are made up of 90% of water, but yet is water living? Huh? Ask yourself that. All right, let's keep on walking after you get it down. And if your pen don't work, take a picture of that question in your mind and let's keep on moving. All right, let's go, kids. Because it's wintertime, you know, a lot of things are dead. So that's something to think about.
Because our summers are really hot and our winters are really cold.
Right, and it's hot.
It just goes up and down, so a lot of things can't survive the winter.
There you go. And so right now it's probably like a low tide too. Right now, I think we're at a low tide.
It gets around 97 degrees in the summer sometimes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the Anacostia. So if you have any open cuts and it gets in, you probably will get infected. It might actually have poop here. I can't really see with this hood.
Oh, that's the thing. There it is, Colin.
That's the heron.
Yeah, I told you they had one here. So we see the heron. It has the long nose. Whatever you need to take in about it, take it in.
It was right there.
Take it in. Good stuff. I told you.
Beautiful.
They are. We weren't that close, but that's like his favorite spot. That's where it was when I came with my daughter's other school. Really? Oh, yeah. When I came with Azari, it was over there, and we couldn't get that close. But now, let's see. Well, maybe it's not the same one because the one I saw before was huge. His nose was like.
It's looking at us. Oh, it's ruffling its feathers. You know, that's my favorite kind of bird ever.
Colin told us.
You do not want to even touch that movement.
Don't go any further, okay, kids? Because I don't.
Yeah, you want to touch the wall. Mr. Mac.
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say like,
Who would it come to you?
Wait. And that's not hard. Yeah.
What is this stuff? All this brown stuff.
Oh wow. I do see mud. The still water here is definitely sewage.
Mud is actually living. Soil is living.
Yeah, it's all living. The place is amazing except for the fact that it's
That's definitely a snake hole.
snake.
Stuff up. All right, y'all taking notes of what we seeing? Y'all seen the ducks? Cause we gonna head back now. We signing out onto the next location. Woo, woo,
Yeah.
woo, woo. All right, come on, let's go.
That's so fun watching them do that.
Yeah, that's kind of. This is not Maryland. This is Southeast. Southeast.
I want to be on YouTube.
It's right here. So, what do you wonder about that, or is it a snail still inside of it? Is that so? If it is it alive? But if not, it's just a shell, so it's just dead, right?
I asked, what's making the currents?
Okay, you wondering? That's some wonder thing. Naj, you got that? He said the currents, because Cullen got a lot of good stuff. That looks like something man-made, because there's a lot of litter. Like that's something that bottle tops. It's a lot of litter over here.
What not to do?
Because there is wildlife here.
Wait, what time is it?
the USA.
Oh, let's see.
Which is a party idea. Made in China. Is that a fox in a what? Take a look. A box.
10:37.
We have to go.
So we have like 8 minutes. Yeah, we got 8 minutes. So right here it says no waste, dump no waste. Miss Katrina, I got a picture, but it says dump no waste, but yeah, it's so much here.
Oh, that's a really good point. Oh, perfect. I'm glad you saw this.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, we could get money to help save the river.
Right, it will be used for the resources. So basically, lots of animals travel here in large quantity, but yet it's contaminated with so much pollution and debris in the water, outside the water, on the outskirts, and we want to figure out a way to keep it clean. Anacostia watershed cleanup operation has now begun. We're going to use the kids to educate and make it happen, make the world a better place. Big Jelly House. All right, so now, but we're gonna come here with a different lens. We're looking, we're sure. Yeah, sure. But they did it so that it looks like it's part of it. Because if you notice it, it's nothing like that. That water's brown. That water is clear. It's just you see the color of the bottom. That's clear water. I dove in that before. Because right here, I know it's a lot of debris and stuff. It congregates, basically, like the current pulls the debris and stuff.
When we're walking to Nats Park on this.
Oh, it's not that bad.
When you're walking down this to Nats Park,
yeah. Right, but they must have cleaned. All right, well, take in observation. But you see the bottle though. There is a bottle.
Do not put the clipboard.
But usually it looks like they've done much better. But I've seen bottles like at least 30 bottles and all kinds of things just congregate.
Have you walked on a bridge to Nats Park?
No.
Well, if you walk down to a bridge,
You will see it. You'll see like the trash. All right, come on. What are we noticing? What does your paper say about the yards?
I was asking to go here because
So you can see.
I've been down here with my mom before.
Mr. Mac, if you go on this and then walk a little bit, there's another ridge that if you
can
walk
go
on
to.
that, there's a lot of.
Oh yeah, I did go over there. Actually, yeah.
It's a restaurant. That's human impact. They built it.
Right. This boardwalk that we're walking on is human impact. See there, that's I don't know what that is, but it's a wrapper of something, some sort. Looks like a Twix wrapper. And it's been there for a while, messing with the jelly man. And this picture is so dope because of the signs, how the signs look. They're like awesome. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna take one more. Hold up. Something to notice, all right?
It looks maybe trash.
It don't look like it's supposed to be there.
Most fish don't float. What if?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna miss it.
Oh man, I appreciate that. That means a lot.
Next stop, Haynes Point. It's the 4th stop, dude. Oh yeah. Stop. Next stop, Haynes. Yeah, next stop.
Let's do it. You got a splinter? How you get a splinter out here? I noticing like all of this like pollution stuff. Every field trip they go on, it's like it's a field study. It ain't just no we going somewhere. Yeah, nah, I know. And it go with my personality, it go with Zoe's personality. That's why I be spending a lot of time up this jump. Got the picture and everything.
Yeah, it's the last page. If you can go to the playground because you have to fill out your sheet. That's the most important thing.
Boom, a kite. A kite in the tree. Is that a kite in the tree? Oh, kite.
That's an excellent.
Okay, so look, the little current is not as strong as before, as earlier. The wind ain't blowing, so the water got a little lighter current.
Guys, since we have picnic benches behind us, we can actually sit down and write. We don't really need to travel the whole, unless we can go to the other side.
That too. So we could compare and contrast or something if y'all want.
Before it gets into the water.
Yeah, this water definitely is much cleaner. It looks almost like a bluish green.
Because it has a barrier.
So right now we're with the students, the Two River students. We're at Haynes Point, and they have noticed or observed that this is the cleanest waterfront area that we've noticed so far from where were we at? Anacostia.
This water is very clean. Where should I put it?
We're at Anacostia. Where did we go first, Elijah?
We went to
Kenilworth. We went to Kenilworth, Anacostia, the yards, and now we're at Haynes Point. Haynes Point, it seems to be the cleanest. But Haynes Point is a very nice one. It's always been a nice place, has a golf course, has a lot of great things. All right, so we're going to cut this thing off because it's a distraction.
This is the last boat. We're leaving Haynes Point.
This has been a phenomenal time. We've been learning and doing it up. We're leaving Haynes Point. This is our last stop, Haynes Point. And the kids had fun. About to wrap it up, take it back to Two Rivers, and see what we come up with. All right, see y'all soon. See you at the expedition.